All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I did similar things as I did yesterday, in no particular order here. Worked on mounting some supports for these low voltage boxes right here. Worked on using all thread down, had to drill a hole through the strut right up here, and then just use washers and nuts, lock nuts, all that stuff, and then zip tied the seal tight to the all thread. Here's another spot right here, right behind that last spot, where I installed another rod. Didn't cut it yet, that's why it's super long. So that's 20 feet with a rod coupling up at the top, and this one is going through strut with, of course, washers and nuts, lock nuts. And then from yesterday, like I said, had to take down this SO cord. I forgot the name of it yesterday, but the SO cord, disconnected that, unplugged it from the ceiling, took it out of the light, got the new wire, rewired the light, and then restrapped it up the aircraft cable, and then replugged the light back in. So now all four of the heights match, and everything is all the same on that set of lights right above the airline compressor. And then added this light over here above another machine that was pretty dark, so went ahead, did the same thing, mounted a box, mounted the anchors in the ceiling, and then tied the aircraft cable through with one of those aircraft cable connectors. I'm not sure what those are called exactly, but basically the wire goes up through it and then back down through it on the other side. Basically looks like a loop. It makes a loop and then it goes through the anchor, and I tied that into the power box over there, shut the power off, tied the wire in, turned the power back on. And then lastly, over here at the end of the day, started working on some more supports for the low voltage boxes again, this time with jack chain. I'm not sure if that'll pass inspection, but that's what I had going so far. But we're going to change it up a little bit and then run that jack chain through the strut over here and tie it all together. So hopefully that works. If not, then we'll just have to use all thread. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Yes, I did forget my bobby pin, so this is how I had to work all day with my hair. It was quite annoying. But anyways, thank you for making it through the video. Appreciate that. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Would help the channel out. Love to see you guys back in the next video. And I think I might have already said that it'll help the channel grow. So anyways, growing nice and steadily as always. So I appreciate each and every one of you who come back every day, and to the new subscribers each and every day. Appreciate that. Lastly, check out the description down below for anything else like social medias, gamer tag, second YouTube channel, video playlist, and then lastly, finally, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And I will be going to a new job site tomorrow. And then I will be back at the tire factory on Thursday and probably Friday. But it's going to be like 100 for the next 3 days. So it's going to be really hot. So boss said there's going to be air conditioned inside the place that I'm going to tomorrow. So that sounds very nice. So I'm excited about that, even though it's super far drive. It's not a super far drive, but traffic coming back is pretty bad always. From Oregon to Washington, but I'm excited that I will be working in an air-conditioned place. So hopefully the job doesn't suck too bad, but otherwise, either way, I'm excited to be working in the air conditioning if that is the case in 100-degree weather. So that'll do it, guys. See you tomorrow for another update. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.